And here we are at the new location of Microwave Me. My back porch, because we're still low budget on this show. That has not changed, but what has changed is we've got a new microwave. Her name's Renee. And she's a lot more daring than Jenny. You see, the problem with Jenny was she wasn't really willing to have much fun. She was too uptight. I mean, the most fun I had with her was a grape. So I've forgotten about her and moved on to a new microwave girl, Renee. And as you can see, she doesn't have any light on inside of her, so solution for that, old Mr. Flashlight. And she's like one of those girls that wears their sunglasses all the time. I mean, as nice as that looks and sexy as hell as that might be, sometimes you still want her to take off her sunglasses so you can see her pretty eyes. Well, this girl ain't taking off her sunglasses for no one. Anyway, get Renee ready for season 2. We're going to be revisiting, as I said, 3 of our past experiments, 3 of my personal favorites: grapes, soy sauce, and a bar of soap. At this time, as I said before, I'm using Ivory soap. Get a better result. And before anyone says anything, yes, I got the idea for the remote arm from Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I also got many of the joke styles, the idea to name the microwaves, and some of the presentation from them, but I also got some ideas from Kenny Irwin, such as the pure silent microwaving sequence and some of the descriptions of the microwave stuff, such as the post-product and so on. But that's inspiration. Older artists inspire newer artists. It's a fact of life. And if you watch my show, you see I add a lot of original touches of my own. Now, enough with that. Time to get on with the experiment. Okay, now we're ready to begin the fun. Sorry for all the rambling, but it's the season debut, and there's a lot of new information to share. As you can see, the grapes have been butterflied because that's what needs to be done. Okay, the soap will go over here so it doesn't interfere with the grapes. Perhaps these little guys need to be arranged a little closer together. There we go. And now for the packets of soy sauce. One here, one here, one here, and the soap. As you can see, Renee has a turn dial. Okay, let the microwaving begin. I will put this in for 2 minutes. Renee has just alerted me that the experiment is done, but I disagree. Only one of the soy sauces went off and none of the grapes did. Perhaps they need to be left in a little longer. And you can see the Ivory soap did not go off all the way. Perhaps this is too much for a newbie member of our show. So, what choice do I have but 2 more minutes into the microwave? As you can see, the Ivory soap definitely made a nice cloud, but I honestly think there was too much in there for Renee. She's a much smaller girl than Jenny. So I'm going to have to remove the soap because what I really wanted to see was the grapes go off. Okay, there we go. You can tell Renee's a newer microwave because she has a plate and a push button door. And she was born in 1988, so she's actually a little younger than me, but fairly aged for a microwave. Right now I'm just doing 3 grapes, 3 soy sauces, because what I really wanted to see was the grapes go off. Okay, 2 more minutes. Once again, the grapes didn't arc. You know what? Screw it. I'm just doing one grape. You know, for as much fun as our new GoldStar microwave could possibly be, she sure is moody. Alright, we're doing one grape. And with a glass over it. Why? Because here at Microwave Me, we give the people what they want, and they want grape plasma, so snap out of it, Renee. If you're going to be a microwave on this show, you better learn how to plasma. Okay, let's turn her on one last time. That's better. Not quite as spectacular as what I was hoping for, but I'll take it. Okay, so let's review. Soy sauce plumped up, flew around, made an interesting spectacle. That was a good idea. Ivory soap was a good idea. Because unlike Olay soap, it actually fluffs into a cloud. And as you can see, that grape plasmid for us, so that was a good idea too. So all around, I'll have to say that our Season 2 debut is a good idea. And hopefully, Renee can get her act together and start having a little more fun. Maybe she's just nervous, I don't know. Stay tuned for the next episode.